Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share something that arrived just yesterday from Esterbrook. Thank you so much, Esterbrook, for sending these along. I'm very excited. Esterbrook have just released their, I guess, newest collection. It's Back to the Land, and there are 3 different colorways for their Esties, their to-go cups, as well as new inks. And I have here a new Estie as well as a new to-go cup, so I'm very excited to share these. So first, let's go in here and then we'll leave the pen for last. So first, the names on the front here are the names of the different pens or the different colorways. So you have Funky Lake, which is kind of like a tealy blue, Incredible Rock, which is the brown, and then Quirky Leaf, which is that green. So I'm going to remove this here. If you hear footsteps, that is Lucy. And look at the packaging. Like, I love that that is all on, like, the box. The detail on that is fantastic. And then you have the vinyl sticker here. Apologies for that. It looks like I got a grass stain on me or something. You have the Esterbrook USA sticker, and then we have, I believe there's another sticker in here, or there is another sticker in here. Oh, stuck. And this one says Incredible Rock. I love the color of the box, and I love the design in the box. Very, very cool. And then we have here, this one is the Funky Lake to-go cup. And let's move these out of the way. So this is a really nice fabric, and then you've got the leather drawstring here and a button, and then inside you actually have an insert that is a divider that allows you to put 6 pens in this to-go cup. So let me put 6 pens in here, and then you can see what this looks like when it is actually being used. So there are my 6 Esties in that to-go cup. I do have to say it takes a little bit of work to get the divider to actually stay in place. You have to start putting your pens in, and then the divider then starts to take some sort of form that helps you stay. But I love it because it stands up like this on your table, or when you're traveling with it, and you can just easily close it and then do it up like that, which I did not do this evenly, but isn't that so cute? And I love the color of this fabric. Like, I could not decide between the Quirky Leaf. I couldn't decide really between all 3 of the different pen colorways, but I knew that I wanted a little bit of everything. So I decided to get Funky Lake for the to-go cup because I love this blue color, and then I love the brown as well. It's just so fun. Now I also have, if I can find it, reaching behind, and I'm shaking the camera while I'm doing it. I can't get it at the moment, but I also have another to-go cup in the, I forget the colorway of it, but the to-go cups were something that Esterbrook came out with this year, I believe, or in the last year, and I love them because I love the fabric of it. It's just another way to store your pens, but if you want to keep them on your desk, really easy, and then pack them up. But I also think, like, you can, yeah. Oh, I love that. That looks so, so cool when you can put it down all the way like that and still house all of your pens. So that is the Funky Lake to-go cup, and I'm gonna keep that here because I love the look of that. And then we have the Esterbrook Estie in the, what colorway do you think I got? What do you think? Ta-da! I got Quirky Leaf, and there's something else that comes with this as well. So this is the nib wipe. It's the Edgy Clean for bold writing. I haven't opened this yet, but I think it's like a little towel, I guess, that you can use to clean your nib of any ink creeping or ink spills or anything like that. So that is cool, and I love the colors of it. All of the design of this, I feel like, is so intentional with the color, with the packaging. It's fantastic. So in the box, it's different from your usual Esterbrook red box. So, like, just even looking at the design of the box, and ooh, I totally missed that. On the back, you have the different descriptions. So we're proud to introduce you to the new fountain pen world off back to the land. Write your life with us. And there's Funky Lake, so it captures the spirit of the 70s with a blue body that evokes the serenity of lakes. Incredible Rock, and then Quirky Leaf, and it's celebrating the culture with Esterbrook fountain pens, and it's celebrating the culture of the 1970s. So very, very cool, and love just the design of the box is fantastic. I keep all of my boxes anyway, but I love that. And then the bottom part, how cool is that? Oh my gosh, little camper van. Like the design here, and even on the side where it says pull here, it's just so well done. So when I take this pen out, it's like you've got a little bookmark, ruler, you have your usual card to activate your pen, which is basically like your warranty for the pen. There also comes a cartridge, but this is interesting because I want to see what this is. So I took that out of the folder. You've got a little bookmark ruler. This is a magnetic pen holder. Like, how cool is that to be able to put on the side of your planner and put your pen in it? Oh, and it's so soft as well. I love the color of that. That orange is such a fun color. Hold on, let me try it on something here. Ouch, my arm. So if I was going to put it on this leather cover, for example, would it go through? Would it be magnetic enough? It is. And then now it does move around a bit, so I would still be a little bit weary of leaving this out like that, but how cute does that look? I mean, that's never gonna fit because that's not what it was made for, but oh my gosh, that is adorable. That is adorable. I love that that comes with it. So that's a magnetic pen loop, which I'm struggling with, but I think that's so cute. I love that that comes with that. I'm gonna put that back in here. Oh my gosh, love this so much. The packaging was just so well thought out. And then here we are, finally, the pen. This is the new Esterbrook Estie in Quirky Leaf, and I love just the single color, and then you've got the break in the color with the orange there. You've got the Esterbrook logo, and then it is a screw cap, and then you have actually that same orange band along the threads here. You have the Esterbrook nib. I got a medium nib this time because I will be getting this ground at the San Francisco Pen Show. And then this also comes with, there we go, the converter. Make sure that's put in there with the Esterbrook logo. That is so cute. I love the color of this, and I love the push cap in there to help with capping the pen and to ensure that it does stay sealed. But this is so different from all of the other Esterbrooks that I have. Like, if you saw all of these Esterbrooks with the cracked resin, so different from every other Esterbrook that I own. And I just think it's fantastic that they've gone in this direction for the Back to the Land collection. It's absolutely fantastic. I'll go ahead and do a quick writing sample with this. Now, what am I gonna just do the test with? I'll have a think here. All right, so I brought out my little ring binder here that has all the different color families that I've compared it to, and right off the bat, Alt Gold Grün looks like a good match for it. Then possibly, if I still had Tatcha Uguis Olive, I would totally think of that one. Ooh, Sailor Manyo Shirakashi is also a good match for this. Wearing Gold Tom Sawyer. Peter Moss is lovely too. Peter Moss would be good if I had that still. Not Olive Swirl. Olive Swirl is almost a bit too yellow. Then we have Astarkiza Olive. Really pretty ink. Ooh, that Pen BBS matcha ice cream. Really, really nice. Thing is, I'm just going to be doing a dip test on this. I'm not going to properly ink it up because I do need to clean it out and take it with me to the San Francisco Pen Show to get the nib ground. This currently has a medium nib on it and I want to get it ground into another reverse architect, similar to what I have on my Once in a Blue Moon. I've been using this past month and I love having that reverse architect. Just so fun. Okay, Rohrer and Klingner looks like a good match, and actually that's what I'm going to use to test it. So let's take out my bottle of Rohrer and Klingner, and we have here my Galen Leather A5 notebook with 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. This is my pen and ink journal, which I fill out chronologically in terms of how I acquire pens, do my currently inks and things like that. And then this stamp here is from Everyday Explorers Co. So let's zoom in. Now I'm not gonna do the usual weighing and everything like that because I do have quite a few videos on Esterbrook Esties on my channel, but I just really wanted to highlight the beautiful colorway, just all of the design that went into everything in this collection. The to-go cup, I wish I had been able to try the inks, but I'm hoping to do that when I get to the San Francisco Pen Show. But just even the design of the box, everything that went into it is like really, really, what a great design choice for what they've done. So I'm so grateful that Esterbrook has sent me these two and I get the opportunity to try them. And I am being kind of a rebel here. I don't even rinse the pen out. So we'll go with Esterbrook. Oh, that is a soft medium nib. This is a Yovo number 6 steel nib. This is the Estie, and the nib is a medium, and this is Quirky leaf, and the ink is Rohrer and Klingner Alt Goldgrün. Whoops, Goldgrün. I am so grateful to Esterbrook for sending me this beautiful pen to add to my now 7 Esties collection. The color of the pen is a gorgeous olive green with that hint of orange on the cap and the threads, and this medium nib is so smooth. I cannot wait to get this ground into a reverse architect. Such a fun nib. Thank you so much to Esterbrook for this gorgeous pen. Once again, thank you so much to Esterbrook for sending me this beautiful pen and this to-go cup and the stickers. I am in love with the colorway of this pen. I am in love with the colors of the to-go cup, and I cannot wait to try the inks that go along with this collection. So if you are interested, there are actually a lot of retailers that are coming out with this collection now, or you can go straight to esterbrookpens.com. I do have an affiliate link for Atlas Stationers. The 10% discount code won't work on Esterbrook, but you can still use my affiliate link and I'll be able to get a little bit of a commission just for you using my link at no extra cost to you. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.